All right, this has been an awesome journey so far, but we're back at it with another day of coding. Trying to build TikTok for all the Americans that are about to lose it. Um, I at some point want to get into promotion of the application, so that will be really fun figuring out how to market an app. But here's where we're at so far. Let's do that. So I actually can't show you the application right now. Um, the reason is because it's the code is broken because I've been trying to fix something. So that'll kind of be what I'm working on for today. So kind of what's happening is if I go to not this profile, right? Yeah, so not this profile, but if I search for a profile, I get these users. And I picked the wrong one. Here we go. So, okay, we have these users, right? Um, but nothing happens when I click on this video, which is not how TikTok works, right? So what I'm trying to do is make it so that, and I'll go to the code just to show you. Um, what I'm trying to do is that when what do I want? Profile screen. Here we go. So here it is. When I click on one of those images, what I want to do is create a new video controller. And then create a new instance of the video screen with a new video controller. And I think what I have to do, I will have to set, I don't think I actually want, oh, whoops. I don't know how I did that. That was cool. I think what I'm going to have to do is actually set my code. I'm going to have to get rid of this entirely. So I spent all this time building out a profile video controller. But I don't want to do that. What I actually want to do is take all of this. I don't even have it. Collection videos. So let me go into profile. Where do I need to go for this? So I need it to filter. Right now it's just pulling all the videos. But that's not what I want. I want it to only pull the videos of a specific user. So I need to go to the profile controller. And add this right here. Where UID is equal to UID value. And I actually want to create a video. I want to add this to video controller. So if I go into my controllers file, and then I go to video controller. What I actually want to do is add this here. And then what that's going to do for me is going to allow me to create a profile controller. No, I'm actually going to delete this. So video controller. Let's see. Let's see. So profile screen. I want to just make this a video controller. So let's delete that. Let's import video controller. So that works. Video screen. Gonna make this a video controller. And then init state. So we also want to dispose of the controller if we leave the profile screen. I think. We'll see if that works. This may actually break it. And then in the video screen, what we're doing is we're passing a nullable instance of a profile video controller. Creating a video controller. And then the video list that we're using is going to be a check to see if the profile video controller is null. Then we're going to use the video controller. But if not, we're going to use the profile video controller. So I must just have the wrong naming convention for this profile video controller. Profile. Oh, that's why. Now everything should work. Okay, so see how it automatically logs us in. It's playing the video, which is great. So what I'm going to need to do is actually share another video. I'm on a boat. Okay, so we'll see if it actually uploads this. This is a really long video. Whoops. Okay, cool. So it should be uploaded. If I go to Firebase, you can see that there's now a new video. And if we go to the Firestore database, there is video 2. Okay. So the cool thing is I posted that on the other profile. So now, oh, okay, here's what I need to do then. So first I need to go into profile screen. We can't dispose of the profile controller. It's not even defined there, so let's rerun this app. So let's just kind of go through this. We have a brand new document or a brand new video. Um, I don't think that's right. Should this spinning icon be over there? Or should it be next to the song text? Best way to do that would be to see, is the icon text? Oh yeah, of course it's in a row. So we'll go up to this function, which is build music album, and we'll see where it was dropped. Okay. That's where we're at, and now I can show you we can swipe up. So we're gonna have to figure out how to preload images at some point, right? So we can swipe through. And then we probably want to cache images, especially if they're gonna be looping. And then we just destroy the caches if they refresh or exit the app. Let's go over here. And I'm just gonna do it from my screen because it's way easier. Okay, so check it out. This profile has the video of me swimming, whereas this profile has the video, this video. And if I click it, so it's broken because there's no scaffold, I believe. And I can't swipe it because it only has that. Here's my big concern. If I go back and go home, hmm. So then here's what I need to do is profile video controller. So then what do I have to do? I have to, in the profile screen, create a Boolean. So this is the first thing. Okay, so this has to also pass use profile true. And then in the video screen, I just have to create a Boolean. Okay. So that creates a Boolean that will set by default to false. Video controller, if we go to the profile screen, that will set this to true. Um, and the final thing we need is video indexes index. And we need to pass that as an int. And this dot video index is equal to 0. So if there isn't anything passed, it's equal to 0. And then what we're going to do is when we go to actually display the video, which should be up here, right at the top of the stack. So we're going to set index equal to And I don't think that's actually what we want. Okay, so we have this and we have this. Oh, that's funny. So we need, I will fix that later. Okay, so I need to update that. Something I need to do. Okay, so we have this. Let's go ahead, go to the profile, tap this. And I know it's broken, but here we go. So we can't do that. But then if we go back home, it should be able to. Let's see. I need to see if you can actually use multiple getX controllers in Flutter. Hmm. I guess really what I need is a navigation controller. So I guess I'll kind of explain my thought process. Here's what we've got. Um, so if we go to the profile screen, actually, home screen controls this bottom navigation bar. So when I tap profile, screen, home, all of that is controlled by the profile screen. Um, the problem would be, let's say I search for a user, right? When I tap to navigate, I lose the bottom bar because I'm navigating away from the home screen. Um, and I'm trying to think of how to fix that. So let's see. That's the other thing. So the home screen is a scaffold with an app bar and a bottom navigation bar and a dynamic body. If we go to the video screen, it's just the page view builder. The only one that should have a scaffold is the search screen. Okay, so I think I'm gonna save that. Okay. All right, so I guess since we've got some people on the stream, I'll go ahead and just show what the app looks like. So it automatically logs us in because it saves our profile information. Here is kind of the basic screen. So we can swipe to a new video, and all of this is getting pulled in by Firebase. So we have a backend um, that all of this is being updated through. And then, we can like a video if we want, and that all updates at Firebase. But then we also have a search screen and a user profile where we can pull this up. What we're trying to do right now is make it so that this works. So when I click this button, it will take me to the page without breaking the whole app, um, which is actually, funny enough, a little more difficult than you would think. So, and then it also breaks this, where now I can only play this video. If I go into the search screen, let's say I go here and click that one. Oh, that's even more funky. Oh, it just hadn't updated yet. But now if I go back, I can only show this user's. So really what I need is the video controller to have not the profile video controller. I need the video controller to have a bool use profile. We're going to set that equal to false until use profile is equal to true, get user videos. Update. Um, and then what I'm gonna do is take all of this and say, get all videos. And we'll do that right here. So let's see. Okay, so then, oh man, this is gonna get really expensive. So we want to go into the profile screen. And when we submit something, yeah, I've definitely thought about creating my own startup. At some point, I want to. Um, just, I would honestly say not good enough. I'm just getting to a point where I could create my own startup, um, and it would actually work. So that's been what I've been working on is how do I get good enough to create a startup that works. Okay. So let's go ahead and keep working on this. So profile screen. And then we want to do profile video controller, get all videos. That should at least fix this. So if we go ahead and rerun that now, automatically logs us in. We have our video, we have this video. What the heck? Okay, profile video controller. Profile video controller, video screen, comment screen. So what's happening right now is it saved the Boolean value, and I can't have that. So video controller, I need to on init get all videos, and get all videos is that. And then we're gonna do profile is equal to false, and then we are going to update. So now let's run it, and it should work. Okay, got that. Okay, so I broke everything. Let's go to search. Let's search. Done. Let's go to this profile. What the heck? Oh, because video index is being set over here. There we go. So that was breaking it. So I think we at least didn't break our stuff. And we've got it where this works. So I think that's a good place to call it for today. So, you know what? No, I think I can keep going. I think I can keep going. Okay. So let's see what else we need to do. Oh, see what else we need to do. So Another thing we could do, I don't know if you all noticed this, but this profile picture and this username should be different on, oh, it is different on this page. Oh, it all works. Okay, so then we are good. Yeah, so then that's good. Okay, so then what I'd like to do is figure out what I'm going to do is push this first and say, let's just say, so let's commit and push. And that'll just give us a save state where everything works. So if we break something, we'll be fine. Let's see this. So I want to see how to receive updates from Firebase. Let me see something. Okay. So I think what I want to do is create a new controller and create a new collection of updates. Let's go ahead and do the updates. Um, update the collection. Okay. Update screen. What else do we want it to do? Okay. But I think first what I want to do is try to create a navigation controller. New Dart file. Navigation controller is actually going to be super simple. Um, and then all we want to do is update. Update index. No. Get builder profile controller. So on profile screen, does video screen have a specific? Let me see and build. Size, media query. Okay, that's not important. And then we're going to say get put navigation controller. Let's import that. Untap the index. We're going to say navigation controller dot update index. Okay. Let's go to navigation controller and let's do update. Oh wait, here's probably why. Hold on, home screen. Pages is equal to there we go. But now here's the cool thing is when I go to a profile screen, what I can do is instead of get to video screen, I just do, let's just leave that for now. Navigation controller. We're gonna do dot update index to 0, which is home. And we can actually do constants. Or we can do Yeah, but I want to reverse this. So let's do map int string to int. And then what we'll do is we'll actually just pull, just to make it a little more clean, on the profile screen, when we send the index, we're going to do update index. And we want the constant that we just created, which is page map home dot. Oh, that should be it. Okay. So now, when we reload this, check this out. If we go to profile, it's going to pull up my profile with the one video. When I tap it, it should push us back to the home page. Yeah. It's actually not what I want. Dang it. Oh, dang it. Shoot. But I'll tell you where I do want this. So doesn't work the way I wanted. Oh, thanks. Yeah, I'm definitely, I would love to do that at some point. I think one of the things I'm going to be figuring out is how can I promote the application. So that'll kind of be as I start building it out. And part of the live stream is to start building out video footage so I can start promoting, whether or not it's this app, just building the skills of like, hey, I'm coding this. Please be interested, you know. But definitely encouraging. I had a lot of help from tutorials on building this. That's for sure. If we go back here, So all of this is fine, but where I do really want to use this is going to be here. So right now, if I search, and if I pull up someone else's profile, you can see it breaks it, right? The header goes away, the bottom navigation goes away. But that's actually something we can fix pretty easy now that we've set up a navigation controller. So let's think about how to do this. We need to go into the search screen. So let's go over here, search screen, and where we on click get navigate, we want to delete that and instead do a add a navigation controller, which is going to be here. Import that. Okay, so we have that. Navigation controller dot update index. And the index we want is page map of I think it's user profile. And let me just double check that in constants. Profile. It's just profile. Okay, I can hear my kid just woke up. Um, um, if you're interested, the guy that I followed for the first part of this application was he actually took his Udemy course that I paid for and then put it on YouTube for free. So I can pull that up real quick. Here, I'll paste that for you. Okay, so it should be good now. Okay, hold on. I gotta help him. Okay. I think kid is gonna sleep for a little bit longer, so we're good. Um, I think I'm gonna finish this and then call it. So, nope. Okay, never mind. He is awake. So there's on tap. Inkwell. So then here's what I want to do is I want to create on tap a profile controller. Profile controller dot update user ID. Let's do so. Let's see if this works. So we have this. We can swipe up. We can go to a profile and it loads the thing. But then if I search, I can go to the other profile. If I search, let me see what happens if I don't go to the other. So so then search screen. Oh, this is getting ugly. Oh man. I just keep breaking things. Um, search result, index. Then here's what I want to do is search controller dot search controller, select profile. No, so I do want, so whoa. Okay, update user ID, get user videos. So and that'll be the last thing that I do is I actually just want to break this. So okay, cool. So that's where I'm at. That's actually where I'm also going to end it. So thank you everyone for watching. This is the last live stream of the first month. So I'm very excited to keep moving forward. Thanks for watching.